Today we're going to show you how to start somebody out on a waiting list, text them, and move them to a table. We start by clicking the waiting list button right up in the upper right hand corner here, and we're going to add one client. We're going to click on this client's name and put in here that it's JR, and we're going to put the cell phone number in so that we can send a text. And we're going to hit the enter button in the lower right hand corner of the number pad. Then we're going to hit return in the upper right hand corner. If you notice here, the button is now green, signifying that we have somebody on the waiting list. When we get here, we can simply click on the box to the left of the member ID, and that's going to illuminate the player icons. Down in the lower left hand corner, we're going to click on SMS with the cell phone icon, and we have a number of programmed messages that you can send to your clients, and these can all be edited, added to, whatever might need be. And at this point here, I'm going to click send SMS, but I do want to say that these are all customizable and can be changed to whatever you want at any time. Alright, hit click send SMS, and the text just got received. So now what I would do is I would take this same player, and I'm going to click the move button and move them to table 4. Add another player, and then at this point here, even start a tab. Now we could have started a tab earlier when that person was on the waiting list. Might have been best to show you that, but for the sake of this video, we just wanted to show you the actual process of moving that person from the waiting list to the table.